Welcome to X Away Clinic. My name is Denise Sharman and I'm your therapist.
This is me getting all this ready to use for medicine to prevent coronavirus. And this is vital to keep vitamin high in our body. Without this, we are prone to little flus and colds. And I think millions of us in the country throw the skins of lemon, lime, grapefruit, tangerine, margarine, throw them in the bin. But these are the most important health vital for our body and our immune system. I would like everyone to give it a go. Although the taste might be bitter, but as bitter as it is, it's also good for your health. And I'm going to make all this later and I'll show you how nice it will turn out to be. I've been doing this for over 20 years, skin, using it for tea, boiling it and have it, especially when I've got mild cold. This is the best medicine to help strengthen your immune system. So this is it. I'm going to make it into juice, and I'm going to also make it into oil for cooking, or use as a body lotion. Use as a body lotion for cooking to make a juice, which I'm going to put in the pot here. This is to prevent coronavirus. Now, we as a human, we need a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C from lemon, vitamin C from oranges or tangerine, vitamin C from grapefruit, and most of us have our oranges and lemon, we throw the skins away. The best way of getting your vitamin C and your antibiotic, they are all lying in the skin on the holes of the orange or the lemon or the grapefruit. And here I am this evening, peel them and chop it up. Lemon skin here. We are with lime skin, grapefruit skin with the, you see the oil in it, and lemon skin. You see the little holes that contains the oil, which is the that protects, that give you your health, good health. And here is tangerine with the hole that gives you the good health. But most of the time we peel these skins and we throw them in the bin. Little do we know, we are actually throwing a very good portion of good health into the bin. These are what the aromatherapy use for essential oil that we use for treating condition pain and aches. So these are the most time of the year where we are suffering from coronavirus and cold, flu, and cough. You could boil these and make them into tea and cover it up. As you could see, there is the oil coming out of the skin. There is the oil. You see, that's the oil shiny, and that is it coming out, popping out in the holes. And that's another one here on the grapefruit. There you could see the oil coming out. These are what I'm going to use. I've peeled the skin, I've peeled them, and I've put some in the bottle, which I'm going to add olive oil on top of it and let it sit in for a month. And after that, I could use it for cooking, and that helps, or use it for salad, use it for salad dressing, or use it for body lotion. And here is some more in a container, making different oil. And here is one. I'm going to boil this and make it into tea, make it into water, which is when it cools down, I could use it as drinking water to give me all the goodness that I require. I've scraped the inner of the orange because there's too much layers. I scrape it so that I could get down to the oil, deeper to the where the oil lies. So these, you could do this. It's easy to do. Yes, it consumes time, but at the end of the day, it's what you need to keep you good health, not just depending on the medicine only from the chemist or from the doctor. These are natural ways of protecting yourself and your family